Hello everyone, wishing you much joy and success in your passion for rose cultivation. Today, we will explore a method of rose cutting propagation using very familiar materials from everyday life. First, choose a healthy rose cutting, free from pests and diseases, with a stem that is neither too young nor too old. Medium-sized cuttings usually have better adaptability and a high survival rate after cutting. After selecting a suitable cutting, trim it to about 20 centimeters. Next, remove all leaves and thorns from the stem. Removing leaves significantly reduces water loss through transpiration, allowing the stem to concentrate its stored nutrients for callus formation and new root development. Thorns are also removed to limit the breeding grounds for fungal diseases and make care easier. In the process of propagating roses by cuttings, creating conditions for the cuttings to quickly form new roots is always a key concern for many gardeners. When used correctly, these simple materials will create a suitable moist environment, helping the cuttings maintain vitality in the initial stage, thereby supporting the formation of new roots and shoots more effectively. Next, prepare a fresh clove of garlic, peel off the outer layer and cut it in half. Use a small knife to make a small hole in the center of the clove. Garlic contains many natural sulfur compounds such as allicin, which are known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties. Before inserting the rose stem into this hole, gently rub the cut surface of the garlic clove over the entire cut area at the base of the stem. This preliminary treatment with garlic helps clean the cut surface, limiting the entry of rot-causing agents in the early stages before the stem develops roots. Next, prepare a clean plastic cup and pour in about 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola contains dissolved sugar, which, when diluted in the following steps, will contribute to the initial energy source for the metabolic activities of the plant tissue. Place the rose cutting and garlic clove in the cup and soak for about 15 minutes. The soaking process also helps the base of the cutting absorb the necessary moisture before being placed in the rooting medium. While waiting for the soaking, prepare a fresh onion, wash it, and peel off the dry outer layer. Onions are a popular ingredient used by many gardeners. because they contain many natural organic compounds, vitamins, and antioxidants. Take about 50 grams of onion and chop it finely. When soaked in water, these active ingredients will partially dissolve into the solution, creating a more nutrient-rich environment for the cutting. Place the chopped onion in a separate clean plastic cup. After soaking for the required time in Coca-Cola, pour the entire Coca-Cola solution, along with the garlic clove and rose stem, into the cup containing the onion. Add approximately 300 milliliters of clean water to dilute the mixture. Stir well and continue soaking for another 15 minutes. During this time, the active ingredients from the onion and garlic will infuse into the solution, while the base of the stem continues to be exposed to a moist environment. Next, prepare another clean plastic cup and fill it with treated river sand. Then, insert the rose cutting into the center of the cup, ensuring the base is buried deep and securely fixed in the sand. After soaking for the required time, filter out all the onion and garlic residue, keeping only the clear solution. This is a Coca-Cola garlic onion solution used to moisten the rooting medium for cuttings. Pour this solution into the cup of sand, enough to achieve even moisture but not waterlogging. Clean reverse sand has the advantage of being loose, draining quickly, and preventing root rot. This is a very suitable environment for the formation of new roots. To maintain stable humidity, cover the entire cup and the rose cutting with a clear plastic bag. This covering creates a mini greenhouse-like environment, limiting water evaporation and keeping the cutting adequately moist. Place the cup in a well-ventilated area with gentle light, avoiding direct sunlight and strong winds. During this stage, stable humidity is crucial to prevent water loss and maintain the cutting's vitality. After about 10 days of proper care, you can observe positive changes in the cuttings. New shoots begin to appear, appearing vibrant green, with thick, healthy stems. At the base of the cutting, many new white roots form, fairly evenly distributed around the cut. These young roots indicate that the cutting has adapted well to its new environment and is beginning to grow independently. Once the root system is well established, gently transfer the plant to a larger part containing a loose, porous substrate such as treated coconut fibre. In the first few weeks after planting, maintain moderate moisture, avoid overwatering, and limit harsh sunlight. When the plant begins to develop new leaves and long shoots, it signals that the root system is functioning effectively. From this point on, the plant will gradually adapt to the external environment and continue to grow vigorously. Hopefully, the method of propagating roses by cuttings using garlic, Coca-Cola, and onions that we just learned will give you another interesting idea for propagating roses at home. The most important thing when propagating by cuttings is not only the materials used, but also patience, meticulousness, and the ability to maintain a stable environment for the plant throughout the rooting process. Thank you for following today's sharing. We wish you success with your garden